Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our April crochet along, the never-ending flower shawl. This is the pattern we are doing this month. This is the never-ending flower shawl, and it's called never-ending flower shawl because it always seems like you can always add one more flower, one more row of flowers. It works up really quick and it's really great, but it just never feels finished. So this is one I made a couple years ago, or a year ago maybe. And I really like it, but now we're making another one together this year. So this video is just about the supplies you need, what yarn to get, what yarn you can use that you already have in your stash. And if you want to do the exact same thing I did, or I am going to do, I will show you the yarns that I have used for that. Of course I have to show you. This cutie. Super cute, right? I love it. So this never-ending flower shawl is called never-ending flower shawl because it always just feels like you could always put one more flower on. And you grow it by attaching these flowers. Oops. Eee. There we go. You attach the flowers to each other during the petal round. So as you do the first two rounds, the center and the second row, and then after that you join when you're doing the next round, the petals. So just hooked together, it actually grows quite quickly, and it's great. It's really great. You can also do this instead of making it into a shawl or a capelet. You can do it as a bedspread or a bed runner or a table runner or the back of a sofa cover. You can really do it for anything. Let me get this fixed again. Goodness. Okay. All right. Okay. So this one I made out of natural cotton last year. I like it a lot. I'm not sure if it's finished or not. It's a never-ending one. So this year I have a better plan. I am using Natural Garden, which is 40% bamboo, 35% cotton, and 25% linen. I hope those numbers add up. That's what I'm saying from my head. And I am using 8 colors plus white, so 9 different balls. It is currently on sale at Ice Yarns, 25% off, so they're 75 cents a ball, or $5.99 a pack. There's 8 balls in a pack, so 400 grams per color per pack for $6. These are the colors I am going to be using. So I have these all linked, all the pictures of them, and they're all linked on the website, secretyarnery.com. And go to the yarn tab and then scroll down, and this will be the April cal with the different colors with the names of these yarns that I am using, and the link to go and find them on Ice Yarns also there. So I'm loving those colors. I'm using a 3.75 hook just because I want it to be like I want it to keep its body but still be soft and drapey. So I think 3.75 is the hook for me. And I'm using white for the centers. So this is how it's going to start. This is going to be the collar. And now I'm just working on a bunch of the centers so that I can just start blasting it out. Tutorial coming out in 1 week. So this is April 1st. This is the supplies you need. Next week will be the tutorial. So excited. Look at these dreamy colors. They're like a bit shiny, but so smooth, so light. This is really light. This is very light. The natural cotton one is quite heavy. It's quite dense and quite heavy. This is like exactly like it looks, like a cloudy, little fluffy Look how great that's gonna be. Isn't that pretty? Love it. Of course, that's my phone. I really have to change my ringtone because I don't like answering it anymore. He's really good at hanging up. Total skill set, by the way. All right, now, what was I doing? That song just got into my head there. Okay, so yes, the natural cotton, super light, super fabulous. Like, I was not excited about making another shawl because in my head, I already had one. No, this is gonna be the shawl. Like, I'm gonna wear this like so often. It's gonna be so pretty. Doesn't look like much, it will be much. Don't joke, I'm really excited about it. So that one is coming along, working on it. If you wanna do it out of natural cotton like I did this one here, I think I used a 5mm hook and I used a whole bunch of different colors, but this is just a sample of colors that Ice Yarn does have. Right now today, their natural cotton, a lot of the colors are out of stock, but they will be coming back in stock, so don't think, like just keep checking back. Like within a few days, they'll have all their colors. But these colors are what I would suggest for natural cotton if you'd like to do that. These ones are, these ones are $1.25. $1.25 each, and they come in a pack of 4, so I think they're also $5.99, right? Let me check. Oh, good gosh. Natural cotton, tons of colors when they have it in stock. So you can also use beige for the center of your flowers. For this year, I feel like I want to use white. I just feel like fresh, like winter's been long enough, although it's summer for me, but summer has been long. I'm not complaining, I love summer. But I just want some white freshness. So I would suggest white this year. I didn't have white when I made mine, so I picked neutral. If you don't have either of those and you have some Alera kicking around, look at that beauty, right? So these colors in Alera would be great. Alera is 50% cotton, 50%, hope you can see it. Maybe I'll go like that because everybody knows what white looks like. 50% cotton, 50% acrylic, and it is a 3-weight, and you would use like a 4 or 5mm hook. So great. So why you would want to use a cotton, like a blend and not just a plain cotton, is just the weight. Cotton is quite heavy, a dense fiber, so it has a lot of drape to it, a lot of hang, which is totally fine. But if you blend it with a bit of an acrylic or a linen bamboo, it has a bit of lightness to it, and who can say no to lightness? It's great. So this is another choice you can have. All 3 of these options are on the website, so you can see the colors and go to the yarn on Ice Yarns to see how much they are and figure out your shipping. If you haven't ordered from Ice Yarn before, put 5 or 6 packs in your shopping cart, doesn't matter what kind. Just go to the checkout, put in your address, and click on express shipping, and that's UPS, and that will give you, usually to the US, it's $20, or to Europe, it could even be less. UK and Canada is the same price, but sometimes in Canada, they do charge you all the other taxes, so that's a bummer. Also to Australia, they also ship to there. It is $32.90, same as to Africa. So that's for 6 packs. But check it out and adjust your shopping cart. I have another video I'll link in the cards of like how to shop for Ice Yarns, like tips and tricks to keep your shipping, to get the most shipping for the bracket that your weight is in. Does that make sense? Anyway, check that out also if you're gonna be shopping for this yarn to join me on the Cal. If you are just gonna be using what you have at home, you're totally welcome to. You can just use regular acrylic. You can use your scraps. What you wanna be thinking about is to keep it the same thickness. You don't wanna use like a really fat yarn with a skinny yarn. If you're gonna be doing worsted weight size 4, get all your worsted weight size 4 scraps, or or a size 3 DK yarn. You can get all of your size 3 DKs. Just try to keep your yarn weight the same and keep track of your fiber content. You don't want to be putting in something super delicate that could shrink, like a cashmere or a wool if you are putting it with acrylic or anything like that. So just be a little conscious of that. Keep your care similar, like don't put in super delicate things with super tough things. And keep your thicknesses kind of the same. So that is what I would do for that. And I think it's also a good idea, well, you can do it any which way you'd like, but it's also a nice idea to keep all your centers one kind of color. It just gives a bit of uniformity to your project. So that is what you need. If you're using scraps or you're just gonna go buy locally or you use what you have, one ball of each color is fine. You don't need that much. It's a lot of space between these, like a lot of empty space. So it's not solid crochet. So one ball of 6 different colors should be enough. The more colors, the nicer, the better. So this is 7 colors of cotton plus the white, so 8. And I have 8 colors of natural garden because I could not say no to any of those. They all needed to be in my flowers. And Alara, just from what I had on hand, I picked 7 colors and 1 white. So there's 8 colors there as well. So just whatever you have on hand, or go to the website and see exactly which yarns I have and then go and order them. Yay! So we'll be starting next Monday. I cannot wait. I'm gonna be doing my best this week to get this done. So that's what I'm up to at the Yarnery. Get your yarn, get your hook, get ready. We're doing the never-ending flower shawl. Yay! So thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside that. I upload a video almost every weekday, as long as, the kids and the power company are in alignment. And we also do a live talk on Fridays, podcast on Wednesdays, tons of fun stuff going on. Love to have you join our community. You can also come and follow me on Instagram at Secret Yarnery, or find our crochet group. We have a page and a group on Facebook. The group is the Secret Yarnery Crochet Community, and the page is the Secret Yarnery. So love to see what you're working on. That's a great place to upload your photos and connect with the rest of our fabulous community. Love to see you over there. So have a super great week. See you next Monday for the Cal, and stay hooked. Let me see if I can pop up. Well, this is the wrong dress to be wearing. Okay. Just doing a video. What are you doing? Playing outside. Yes, they did. No, it's terrible, apparently. Yeah, Mir said it was the worst movie he ever saw. The only thing he liked about it was the credits. I don't know. That's what I say. Can't even be nice. Spoiled for choice. Okay, babe, love you. He's really good at hanging up. Total skill set, by the way. Salmon, do I have salmon? I better have salmon. That's good. This is what happens. I just looked on the, they have a color I don't think I have. Orange, I don't have salmon. I have light salmon. Oh my gosh, what color are you? Brown. Well, clearly I need it in salmon. Add to cart. Candy pink, dark orchid. Orange, I have you. Beige, do I need any more beige? Okay, I had to add the salmon to cart. They have salmon, I don't have salmon, I've never had salmon. Calm down, okay. When you're taking thumbnails and they don't get better. Not even joking. What? I need to hire someone to do thumbnails. It's like, put on my face, don't look dumb. So try not to look dumb.